Starting out with a microfiber automotive cloth that I found at DollarTree in the auto section. Taking it apart and just folding it over to see exactly how it'll look folded in half, and trying to get the edges lined up as best that I could. And also these heartfelt stickers I found at Dollar Tree that are out now for Valentine's Day. I want these to be the eyes, the pink ones. And I'm just trying to place these so that I can get a good idea of how it'll look. And then that brown fabric is what I want to use as my melted chocolate. And I started hot gluing 2 of the seams together and continuing to glue. I want to leave one side open so that I can fill that with the polyfill from an old pillow. I'm using the silicone finger protector, the hot glue. It really does help so that you don't get burns. In here, I'm just turning it vertically, and I decide that I want to do it vertically instead of horizontally. And I'm just stretching out my brown fabric to see where I need to cut. Okay, and I'm using craft clips that I found in the crafter square section at Dollar Tree to hold the brown fabric to the microfiber cloth so that I'm able to go ahead and draw on my drip lines for the fabric to look like it's actually like dripping melted chocolate down a marshmallow. And this is a chalk writer that I'm using to draw the drip marks. I found this in the crafter square section at Dollar Tree. And with my drawing complete, I use detail scissors to cut along the lines for my drips. This brown fabric is folded over, so I'm cutting through 2 layers of the fabric, so once complete I can unfold it and it will drape over front and back. Okay, now it's time to stuff and stuff and stuff. And once I was satisfied with the amount of filling, I went ahead and glued the top portion closed just so that I could attach my chocolate. I started gluing down one of the bigger drips first and sort of moved around from side to side, just trying to make it look as smooth as possible. And after I glued down the top portion and had that secure, I just flipped the pillow over and did the exact same thing with the back to get all of those drips secured. And once all of my brown fabric was secured, I moved on to attaching the eyes, and I just was looking for a good placement for the heart eyes. So I peeled the paper off the back and added a little hot glue just for a long-lasting hold. And I chose a purple puff paint to use for the mouth. And I just pulled this piece off. I'm gonna fold this in half and make just a little tongue right here on the side. A lot of the marshmallow mug photos I've seen, there's a little tongue on one side or the other, and I think that'll be just the final touch, and this little cutesy pillow will be complete. It's so cute. I love it. But tell me, what do you think? Is it better vertical, or should I have left it horizontal? Thanks for watching.